Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Agha from Expertech. Please subscribe and like the channel if you have still not subscribed, so that you would be able to get quick updates about our new videos timely. Now we are moving to chapter number 2, exercises. Here we will learn about read statement, data statement and auto statement. In chapter number 2, question number 9, we are solving the problem of writing program to read 10 values and find their sum. Okay, at first we will write the statement, write the command of auto. It will generate line by line numbers. It has generated the number of 10. Star is nothing, it is a space, don't worry about it, and go to the CLS statement. This statement will clear the screen when the program will run. These are 10 variables that will be saved in the memory of computer, and after giving the values, these values will be assigned to all these variables. Sum equals to A plus B plus C. Sum equals to A plus B plus C plus D till J. Sum is variable. It will do addition of all these variables. Here is the data statement. It will assign the numerics or values to A, B, C, D and through till J. That's it. We are ending the statement. Now line number 70 is no use, is not usable for us, so we are going to do here Control C. It will erase the 70 number and it will terminate the auto statement, auto command. Now we are going to run the program that we have written. Now sum equals to 50. Let's see, something is wrong here. Sum equals to, okay, we have to edit this line. This is an error, so we will go to edit this line number 40. Sorry, edit 40. We have to do here comma sum, and at line number 20 we have given RE instead of E, so it should be edited. That's it. Now run. 55. List the program. It's okay. That's it guys, and we will be forward to another program, and तब तक के लिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.